I want to know what I've done.
You know what? Here, let me call my sergeant.
Call your sergeant. Call your sergeant.
He's the one saying that you got to be trespassing.
I haven't done anything. Call him.
The following exchange takes place during a visit from officers delivering a trespass notice to a former city employee. The individual expresses confusion and concern over the reason for the notice, believing it to be linked to past disagreements with city practices. The officers attempt to explain their role in delivering the warning, while the individual raises questions about fairness, legality, and the proper procedures involved.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I was told that you're getting a trespass warning
for what?
For City Hall.
For what?
It was just my sergeant told me that you're doing it.
From who?
From Jacksonville Police Department.
Is it court ordered?
No, trespass warning.
For what?
Saying that you can't go back to Jacksonville City Hall.
For why?
I don't know the reason why. They just told me to come by and give you a trespass.
Okay,
if you'd like to talk to my sergeant about it, you can.
No, I want a court ordered from the judge.
That's not how trespass warnings work.
I haven't done anything.
Okay, so you can either refuse to sign it or you can sign it. Either way, you're being trespassed.
I'm not signing anything because I haven't done anything.
I'm writing down refuse then.
Refuse for.
Okay, what's your date of birth?
What's it matter?
I need your date of birth.
You don't need to have it.
I don't know why you're being difficult about
because
it.
y'all harass me.
It's not harassing.
Yes, it is. I haven't done anything. What have I done?
Have you gone to City Hall recently?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Well, I don't know why. They
I don't either.
I
don't either. It's got to be court ordered or something.
No, that's not how trespass warnings work.
I haven't done anything. I want to know what I've done.
You know what? Here, let me call my sergeant.
Call your sergeant. Call your sergeant.
He's the one saying that you got to be trespassed.
I haven't done anything. Call him.
Okay, find out.
We'll find out.
You don't want to give me your date of birth?
Nope.
You understand you have to identify yourself?
No, I don't. No, I don't. Am I operating a vehicle?
That's not how that works.
Yes, it does. It's called stop and identify. Yes, it is. Yeah, whatever. You come to my house and ask me my date of birth.
I'm doing a trespass warning.
I ain't done anything. I haven't done anything to warrant a trespass.
I don't know the situation
exactly.
at City Hall.
Then why are you harassing me?
Because I'm not harassing you.
Yeah, you
I'm
are.
doing my job.
You're harassing me.
You trespass from City Hall.
I haven't done anything.
Doesn't mean you're going to jail all the
time.
time.
I know I'm not going to jail. I haven't done anything to go to jail.
Okay, well, if you don't identify yourself, there's a strong possibility you will go to jail.
No, I won't. No, I'm not operating a vehicle.
That's not how that works.
Yes, it does. Am I loitering? Am I being detained?
Yes, you're detained right now. Because
no, I'm not being detained.
Yes, you are.
No, whatever. I'm trespassing right here on my property.
No, you're being trespassed from City Hall.
I ain't done anything. Get your sergeant. That's fine.
He's on his way.
Good.
Okay.
It's harassment.
It's not harassment.
Yes, it is.
It's not. I'm here for a lawful reason.
I ain't done anything.
Obviously, you did something at City Hall.
I haven't done one thing. I haven't done one thing.
Okay.
Not one thing. That's for the people. You don't know what's going on. See, the city's about to be sued big time.
Okay.
And that's why I'm recording you.
That's between you and them. I'm just here because I was told to come give you trespass.
And it's wrong. I ain't done anything.
Okay. Well, then, if you want to take them to court on that, that's all. That's
yeah.
power to you.
That's good.
But I received a call saying I need to come here
and
give you a trespass.
That's fine.
That's why I just need some information.
You know why they don't want to go to City Hall? Because they don't want the council to know what's going on.
They don't want the council to know what's going on?
That's right. That's why they come on Thursday.
Are you on the city council?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
But I've done everything. I've talked to the city attorney and everybody.
So
I talked to Miss Friedman, everyone. See, I used to work for City of Jacksonville.
Okay.
Okay. And what they're doing is illegal. The garbage company.
Okay.
What they're doing is they're dumping illegal. They're going to the animal control and they're picking up pets and they're dumping them at the landfill. And I refuse to do that. And they let me go for no reason. They didn't tell me why. That's why I haven't done anything.
So now that's why they want you trespassed from City Hall.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's right.
I didn't know any of that.
Right.
All I got was a call saying, "Hey, show up at this address. It needs to be trespassed from City Hall."
That's fine.
You see what I'm saying? But
I ain't done anything. I've never been detained. I got a clean record.
In order to do that, though, I just need to fill out your name, sex.
And I've been advised by attorney not to sign anything.
You don't need to sign it.
You just said I had to sign it.
You can either sign it or you can refuse to sign it.
See,
either way,
I'm not signing anything.
Okay, so you're refusing to sign it.
Exactly.
You're still being.
I don't have to sign anything.
Okay, but you're still.
Unless that comes from let it come from the judge.
Trespass does not need to come from the judge.
Well, we'll see.
Okay. All right.
And so by the way, Zach, what I'm trying to tell you is this: I don't have to show you no identification. Am I loitering? Am I loitering right now?
I need your identification to fill out.
Am I loitering?
You're not loitering.
Am I being detained?
Right now?
No. That ain't how it works. That ain't how it works. I know the law, sir. I know the law.
Sergeant's on the way.
That's good. That's good. Waste everybody's time right now. Waste all taxpayers' money right now. That's fine. Protect the serve. See, I used to back the blue. This is why people give up on y'all. Y'all harass. Citizens are first.
That's your opinion.
It's right. It's my right. It's the Constitution.
I mean, if you just give me information, I can be on my way.
I'm not giving you no information. They got all my information that want to be there, right?
I've never been out with you. I don't know who you are.
Exactly. You don't need to be. You don't need to know who I am either. I ain't done anything.
Well, obviously, they don't want you to trespass from city.
That's fine.
So
that's fine. It's harassment. It is. It's harassment, man. I ain't doing nothing wrong. You come to my house. They don't want me to go to City Hall. I'll work for the city of Jacksonville. What they do is wrong, and they know they're about to get slammed. No, I got fired for no reason. They didn't tell me why. I said I refuse to go back to the animal shelter and dump pets at landfill, which is against the law. Take them out of the freezer in the same truck that picks up all these trash cans. All these trash cans gonna have to be replaced. Those 3 trucks, white trucks, they're gonna have to be replaced. It's gonna be shut down. Miss Friedman knows, city attorney.
All right, so here's the sergeant.
Good. Give me all of them. All right. A whole slew here. 1, 2, 3. Hey Ben, how you doing? Nice to meet you. You didn't have anything. Y'all came to me.
I was told you wanted to speak to a supervisor.
That's right.
I'm a sergeant.
Well, I said, no, he said he's going to call you. I didn't say call your sergeant or your field officer. He called you.
Well, you did ask Sergeant Thomas.
I didn't say nothing about sergeant. You said if I didn't sign a piece of paper, your sergeant would come out here. And I said, okay. We can rewind and say I got it all recorded.
I need some information so I can complete this form and so we can go on about our day.
You got all the information. I work for the city of Jacksonville.
I don't know your date of birth.
Ask Charlotte. She'll tell you.
Okay,
At
I'm
HR.
asking you right now.
Ask Charlotte. She'll tell you. I haven't done anything wrong. I have not done one thing wrong.
Nobody said you done anything wrong.
Exactly. So why are you wasting my time, wasting y'all's time? I haven't done anything.
We were asked to come out here and serve you with a sheet of paper that says you cannot come back to the city hall.
I haven't done
That is
anything.
part of our job. That is what we do.
I'm not signing anything. I haven't done anything wrong.
Nobody said you had done anything wrong.
Then why are y'all here?
Because somebody asked us to trespass you from...
Get a court order and get that from the judge.
We don't need a court order to trespass you
Yes,
from.
you do.
No, we don't.
Okay, that's fine. I'm not signing anything though. I've been advised by my attorney and Miss Friedman as well, your city attorney.
And she's the one that sent us over here.
She said she did not. I can show you the text.
Alright, so completing 60. He's being advised he is not to step foot on municipal, number 1 municipal drive, city hall property. If he does, he will be arrested. You understand?
That's fine. I haven't done anything. But you know why? You know
I'm
why?
telling you.
Because
if you
it-
step foot at city hall.
I don't want to go to city
you'll be
hall.
arrested,
I don't want to go to city hall. But I want to know why I can't go to city hall. What have I done?
I don't know.
Well, I want to know why.
It's not our job to know why they don't want you there.
Because
it's our job to tell
because
you
they don't
you
want
can't
they
go.
don't want to do a council meeting. That's why.
They don't want you there. Okay. You're not
I haven't
allowed
done
to go.
anything. I haven't done anything.
Okay. It's not for us. That's not our job to decide what you have and haven't done.
That's fine.
Our job is to tell you you're not welcome
All right.
back at city hall.
I don't want to go back to city hall.
Okay.
Channel 7's gonna love y'all.
Sign this form
I'm not
saying
signing
you
anything. I'm not
all
signing
you-
anything.
All you're doing is
The situation ends with the officers verbally issuing the notice and the individual recording the encounter for documentation. Despite disagreement on both sides, the interaction concludes without conflict. The conversation brings attention to issues surrounding authority, accountability, and communication between public officials and citizens. Here is another case. During a routine traffic stop, an officer approaches a vehicle due to a missing left brake light and questions about the vehicle's registration. The individuals inside respond with curiosity and frustration while filming the interaction. The situation includes questions about legal procedures, vehicle ownership, and driving status.
No, your left brake light's out. That's why I pulled you over. And you can't just leave your car on the side of the
I
road.
have to go get toe dollies.
Okay, that tag comes back. Can you get your phone out of my face? If you want to record me, that's fine, but I don't want it in my face. You got your license, registration, insurance?
Who, me?
What, over, you said, what was
Your
the
left brake light, your third one works, and your right one works, your left one
You
doesn't.
wouldn't have known that if you didn't pull me over. What was your reason for the blue light to be turned on?
One, the brake light, and two, I needed to speak to her about her vehicle. That the tag doesn't come back to that vehicle.
doesn't give you a right to pull
Jamie,
me
I need
over.
you to call me, please.
Is she suspected of committing a crime?
Jamie.
Well, no, I need to talk to her, but you have committed a traffic infraction because your left brake light is out. So that is the reason to pull you over. So
No,
I'm
but-
going to ask you one more time,
Jamie,
give me your license,
do you
registration,
know
insurance. I'm going to pull you out of this car.
Brody Pitts, I think.
I don't have it, luckily.
Yes.
Oh, wait, yeah, I do.
So, can I step out of the car?
In just a second.
Okay. Hold on, Jamie.
I just got a phone call from a friend.
What's that?
What's what?
That bag.
Nothing. Go ahead. You're all on camera.
Oh, my God.
Well, that's good. I'm recording too.
Good.
Alright,
Because
your license is
no,
in
I
there?
want you to go through it.
So,
You
I
want
was
me to
at,
get your ID
so
out?
I was at my boss's house, right? Because I take care of her aunt.
You done
his
plundering,
aunt.
kid? Are you done
And,
plundering? You feel
and,
stupid yet?
No,
Maybe?
stop.
You don't?
So, anyhow.
Because you sure look it.
Where's your
Let's
license
go.
at?
I didn't bring them with me. They're in my other vehicle. Write me a
Okay.
ticket and I'll be on my way. All right?
Okay, well, what's your name and date of birth?
David Hammond.
Are you there?
February 3rd.
What's your name?
Michelle
Michelle what?
Elgin.
Was that guy that was walking down Highway 59, was he with you?
No.
Okay. So, what piqued my interest with you to begin with is I turned around on your vehicle, you were going back towards Jim's auto, then you disappeared on me.
No,
and
I
then you
didn't
were up
disappear.
there.
The whole total car just, I mean, I'll crank it up and you can hear it.
Yeah, but you were going the opposite way I was going, and when I turned around, you were nowhere to be found. I come back and you
because
were over there.
I turned into the thing because my whole total motor blew.
That's all
I
you
turned
have to
around.
say.
I seen you
Michelle,
whenever
that's
you
all you have
passed.
to say.
You got your ID with you?
Yes.
That's it, please.
What do you need her
I mean, my
ID
whole
for?
car is messed up.
So you were driving that car and you ain't got a license?
You
No, I
ain't
wasn't
got-
driving.
Yes, you were. I seen you when you passed me.
Then why didn't you pull her over?
because she was parting out of it by the time I got over there.
Well, then you
what are
don't
you, some
say-
jailhouse lawyer or something?
No, I'm just somebody that likes the Constitution. What are you, a tyrant?
No,
I just want to
Yeah,
pull
do you
my hair
remember
out,
swearing?
man.
Do you remember swearing an oath to the
I
Constitution?
do. Or you
That's
consider
good.
me a road pirate too, I guess?
I don't know what you call
What's a road
yourself.
pirate?
I know that your sheriff likes hiring pedophiles.
This is not funny, Jamie.
Okay.
I know that. You remember the one that just was at the school resource officer?
Huh?
You remember the school resource officer up at Fair Oaks?
That was before my time.
Can't-
Okay. Well, I'm sure
Can me
you
and
can.
Mr. B Pitts this out of the way, whatever he's going to do.
What was your name again, sir?
David Hammond.
Don't argue with him.
Hammond. Spell your last name.
HAMMOND.
And your date of birth.
February 3rd, 1973.
73.
Um,
You got your registration insurance?
So whenever Mr. Pitts will allow me out of the car, I'll talk to you then, Jamie.
There's two
All right.
names under there, Glenda Lindsay and David Hammond, and the registration's the license plate.
You don't have your registration card?
I'm sure I do, but I'm not going to dig it out for you. You can run the license plate.
Well, you're required to give it to me when I request it.
Okay, well, you can run the license plate.
Okay.
Mr. Pitts, may I talk to you?
You need to talk to me?
Yeah, I mean, ain't nothing bad.
Yeah, come on back here.
Ain't nothing bad. You know my Uncle Jamie.
Is that-
Jamie, Hammond.
okay. Are you wanting to talk to me or you want your attorney over here to talk to me?
Who?
Well, you said you wanted to talk to me, but he's keeping you from talking to me. Or you want to get out and talk to me? Or...
I mean,
The conversation reveals misunderstandings and tension, but remains mostly verbal. The officer requests identification, and the individuals try to explain their circumstances. The exchange highlights the importance of communication, awareness of rights, and mutual respect during roadside encounters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.